So today I am weeding around the beach, and it's easy when the weeds are obviously seen, but it gets more tricky, not difficult, but tricky when they're hiding. So this one is not hiding, so I can just easily see it and pull it off, like that one too, and this one too. But I can overlook. This one is not really hiding, it's noticeable, so I pick it up. Oh, actually it was already taken out. So this looks all good, but I have to really look at it to see some hiding ones behind it. Almost like this one. I pull it off. So unless I look very closely, I wouldn't have noticed the weeds. So I was thinking, this is a lesson for me today, that truth is the same thing. When a lie is so obvious, we can notice it quickly, but when it's not so obvious, when it's hiding behind the truth, it may not be recognized readily. And I pray that God would help me to recognize small lies that's ruining my testimony as a Christian, that He will weed out all the little lies that's hiding underneath the truth. Thank you, Lord, for today, for that lesson from the nature.